Hi children, today we are going to learn 6th Mathematics chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes. In this chapter we are going to learn quadrilateral, that is exercise 5.3. In this video we are going to cover the topics are quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, properties of quadrilaterals, then exercise problems. First, we are going to learn quadrilaterals. Look at this picture. We have four sides or edges, and we have four angles, and four corners, or we can say vertices. The sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So when you add these four angles, you will get 360 degree. Properties of a quadrilateral. Say, look at this picture that is given ABCD. Okay, a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. In a quadrilateral ABCD, four sides that are AB, BC, then CD, and AD. Four angles. See, you know that angles, right? Angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA, angle DAB. Four vertices that are points A, B, C, and D. Types of quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium. Second one, parallelogram. Third one, rhombus. Fourth one, rectangle. Fifth one, square. Here, rhombus, rectangle, and square are the special types of parallelogram. Trapezium. Look at this picture. Only one pair of the opposite side of a trapezium is parallel to each other. See, look at this picture. AB and DC line segments are parallel. The two adjacent sides of a trapezium are supplementary, that is 180 degree, that are angle BCD plus angle ADC will get 180 degree. Then angle ABC plus angle DAP will get 180 degree. The diagonals of trapezium bisect each other in the same ratio. Parallelogram. Say, look at this parallelogram ABCD. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AD equal to BC, then AB equal to DC. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. Here, AD is parallel to BC line segment and AB line segment is parallel to DC line segment. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. It is AC and BD bisect each other. The opposite angles are equal. Here, angle B is equal to angle D, then angle A is equal to angle C. The sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. It is rhombus. Look at this rhombus ABCD. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. The opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel to each other. That are AD is parallel to side BC. Then AB is parallel to side DC. The opposite angles are equal. That means angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. The sum of any two adjacent angles of a rhombus is equal to 180 degree. The diagonals bisect each other at the right angles. See, AC and BD bisect and makes an right angle, isn't it? Yes, there are four right angles. A rectangle. Look at this picture, rectangle ABCD. Opposite sides are equal. See, AB side is equal to DC side and AD side is equal to BC side. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Here, side AD is parallel to side BC. Then side AD is parallel to side DC. All the interior angles of a rectangle are at 90 degree. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. See, the rectangles diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so they are all equal. Square. Look at this picture. Square A, B, C, D. All the sides of a square are equal measure. See, look at this picture. Side AB, side BC, side CD, side DA are equal. The sides are parallel to each other. See, look at this one. AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. All the interior angles of a square are at 90 degree. For example, that is all a right angle, isn't it? There are four right angles. The diagonals of a square are equal and bisect at right angle. Properties of a quadrilateral rectangle. The properties is four right angles and opposite sides equal. So look at this picture. We have four right angles and two opposite sides. That means opposite sides are equal. Then square. There are four right angles and four equal sides. Parallelogram. Two pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides equal. So that arrow mark is given. So look at this picture. Two pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides equal. Okay. Then rhombus. Parallelogram with four equal sides. Trapezoid. Two sides are parallel. Exercise 5.3. Look at the quadrilateral PQRS and name. First one, its vertices. So, vertices are P, Q, R, and S. That is given in animation, that is PQRS. Then, pairs of opposite sides. That means PQ and SR. These two are opposite sides, and PS and RQ, another opposite sides. Pairs of adjacent sides. That means PQ, QR, and second one QR and RS. Then third one RS and SP. Then SP and PQ. Say pairs of opposite angles that are angle B and angle R, angle Q and angle S. There are two pairs of opposite angles. Then pairs of adjacent angles that are angle B and angle Q and angle R and angle S, angle S and angle P. There are four pairs of adjacent angles. Its diagonals that are PR and QS. That is two diagonals. Identify the following quadrilaterals. First one, look at this picture. Here we have two pairs of parallel line, isn't it? Then it is called parallelogram. Then second one, look at this one. There are two pairs of parallel lines and we have four right angles. That means a rectangle. And third one, see, look at this picture. We have only one pair of parallel lines, that is trapezium. Then fourth one, we have two pairs of parallelogram, but we don't have right angles, isn't it? So that is a rhombus. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. The diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Is it? Yes. Look at this picture. First one, a rectangle. Yes, as each angle is a right angle and the diagonals are equal. Is it rhombus? Yes, all the sides are equal and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Is it a square? Yes, as all the sides are equal and each angle is a right angle, the diagonals are equal and bisect at right angles. Is it all the above? Yes, all the sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. Thank you.